Electric vehicle takeoff and landing or eVTOL aircraft could revolutionize transportation, but their success hinges on overcoming significant charging challenges and grid infra limitations. NREL studied eVTOL charging demands and their impact on the power grid. The National Renewable Energy Laboratory or NREL conducted a study for the FAA analyzing eVTOL charging demands and the impacts on the power grid. The NREL study involved surveying aircraft manufacturers, analyzing service routes, and evaluating infrastructure investments needed to support eVTOL operations. NREL's research indicated that eVTOL charging demand could significantly impact grid infrastructure, requiring on-site generation and storage solutions. For consistent eVTOL operations, Vertiports would need a 1 megawatt or greater charging capacity, equivalent to powering 800 houses. The study identified feasible sites for eVTOL operations, including airports and commercial complexes, and simulated operational use cases to estimate charging demand. Utilities would need to upgrade transformers, lines, and protection equipment to accommodate the 6 to 7-fold increase in site demand from vertiports. Vertiports could be supported by energy storage and generation, reducing emissions and taking advantage of low demand periods. Grid upgrades for vertiports could add jobs and boost the nation's GDP, but planning and implementation would take several years. NREL has released tools for utilities to start planning, including the EVI N-Site tool for optimal site configurations and the REOP tool for renewable energy resource selection.